Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids, the problem number 134. The problem reads as a pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its edges of the base. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and to VP at 30 degrees. So to solve this problem, so first we'll go for this is the final solution. In order to do this, first I'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210 and then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the distance as 297 and then you take this as 210 and then here you just take 297 and then say close. So then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x now. So then you just go to layer, click on the new layer, type the layer by name XY, click on new, type the layer by name locus, click on new, type the layer by name axis, click on new, type the layer by name front view. So you just click on new, type the layer by name top view. So you just go to this and then you just rename this layer. So just type view. Then you just click on new, type the layer top view hidden. Then you just click on new, type the layer front view. So here click on new, front view hidden. Then enter. So the layer 0 will have the line weight as 0.05 and the axis line will also have 0.05 and the front view will going to be of 0.5. And top view will also be of 0.5 and then top view hidden will going to be of 0.3 and front view hidden will also be of 0.3 and then the locus will going to be 0.05 and the XY line will also be of and the XY line will going to be of 0.13. Then you want the locus line which should be of dash dot, so you take D and say OK, click on load, you take hidden, OK, and click on load and you take center. First you're going to load all the line types, then the locus line should be of dash dot, you just click on that, then front view should have hidden line type, OK, and the top view hidden should also have hidden line type, OK, and then the axis line should be of center line type. Then the axis line will have the color as magenta, then the front view should be of red color and the top view should be of blue color and the top view hidden should be again of blue color and the front view hidden should be of red color. So once you do that, then you just close this, then go to now you come down to first polygon command. So take the number of sides as 5 and you take the edge option and you take this distance as 25 mm. Then go to line, take INT of this and take midpoint of this opposite edge. Then go to line, take INT of this and take the midpoint of these two. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this and take INT of this now. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then you will select all these things and then go to layer, make that layer as top view and then go to line and draw a horizontal line and you take the height as 60. So go to offset, take the distance as 60 and then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line and take line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line and take intersection part of this and take INT of this now. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to erase, then go to fillet between this and this and the fillet between these two. Now you just go to break this line till here. Then you just select on this you select this line and use this line. Go to layer, take this as front view. Then you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take that distance as 10. So now you just switch on the line weight display. The next comes you have to make it on copy the front view, first position of the front view to the second position and rotate this by an angle of 40 with reference to the base. So to do that, so first you'll go to copy this, take this entire thing and copy to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this and take intersection point of this and give 50 degrees so that it will be rotated by an angle of 40 degrees. Then go to move, take previous and take it out, and then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then the axis line will be here, draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between this and this now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, vertical line. So go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. You just get perpendicular to this line. Once you do that, then go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Now we have the top view to be written. So you just int and you just int, then you just come down to intersection. So you just come down to int and you just go to int, then int, then int of this. Then go to mirror of these two lines, mirror with reference to this line. So once you get this, now we need to go for zoom window, then go to break this line, first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break, select this and take first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you just click on this and click on this and click on this. Then you click on this and you click on this. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. So now you just click on this line, you click on this line and you click on this line and you click on this and this line. Go to layer, make that layer as top view hidden. So you just come down to this and take 15. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. So now you just come down to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and again you take this line here on this side and draw this. Now we need to draw a line at an angle of 30 degrees and then you need to find out the beta inclination. So to do that, first we go to DDIM and then go to modify, go to primary units, make the precision as up to second decimal point, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, offset from the origin as 3, center becomes above, symbols and arrows take the arrow size as 3 and the lines as offset from the origin as 3. Then go to text, everything has been done here. So close OK and say close. Then go to dim, take int of this and take intersection point of this now. So here, so this will going to be the angle. Now we go for line, you draw a line, take nearest point on this. So you take at the rate 100 less than minus 30. So once you do that, so here you take 60 mm. So go to circle, take nearest point and take the radius as 60 and then go to break this here and you break this here. Then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and then go to fillet between these two, and then go to circle, take center of this. So here take 45.96. Then go to break this circle. You break this object till here, and from here it is this side. Then go to erase. Then you erase this also. Then go to copy this entire thing. From here take intersection part of this, and you fix that the center point of this now. Then go to rotate. So then go to rotate, select this entire thing. Then you take base point as int of this, and take the reference, take intersection part of this, and take end point of this now. And that end point should come on this line. So once you do that, then you just go to break this, and similarly you break this here. Then you select this and go to layer, make that layer as locus line, and take this dimension as 10. So once you do that, then go to move, select this and move it wherever appropriately you want to place it. So now you just go to the ortho mode on, and then go to line and take intersection point of this, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line, take end point of, you just take line. You can take axis line because this intersection is already there. So you take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two now. Then similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, just go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this, and you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Now you just come down to zoom window, then go to line, take endpoint of this and take intersection 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 of this, and then go to intersection of this and take intersection of this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this now. Now you just go to zoom window, then you just go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to zoom previous, you select this line. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So this is the boundary and the surface near to the observer is visible. So two edges are visible, so this edges is also visible, so it becomes front view. Similarly, you select on this and you select on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view, hidden, and make this as 20 mm. So then you just come down to this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis line, and you make this as 10. So once you do that, then go to break this line till here, then go to zoom previous, then you just come down to zoom previous and you break this. So you select this line, you select this line and you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as XY. So then you go to DDIM. So go to modify, you come down to primary units, make it as 0 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim and take intersection point of this and int of this. So you give the dimension as 25. Then you take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get as 60. Then go to angular. Then go to angular between this line and this line. You're going to get to 40. Then again angular. select between this line and this line, so you're going to get 30. Then again angular, dim, select angular between these two. So here go to text, give space, and you just enter it. Then go to dim TED, select this and you give it as 40 degrees, and you select this you're going to give it as 30, and you select this and you give it as this. Now you just go to detext. So here you take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0, take X, and here it is VP, and here it is HP, and here it is Y. So you mark this as small letter A, B, C, D, E, and here it is O, and here it is open in bracket. So here you mark this as O dash, and this as A dash, and this as B dash, and this as C dash, and this as E dash, and this as E dash, and this as O1 dash in bracket. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off this ortho mode. First you move this Y, you move this X, and you move this VP, you move this HP, you take it as A, you take it as E, you take it as D, you take it as O, you take it as O1, you take it as B, you take it as C now. Similarly, you take it as A dash, and you move this E dash. Similarly, O1 dash, here it is B dash, here it is D dash, here it is C dash, here it is O dash. So you just click on these front view points, and then go to layer, make that as front view. So then you just click on HP, E, A, O1, O, D, C, and B. You mark this layer as top view. So once you do that, then go to copy this O dash here, and then A dash here, then E dash here, then O1 dash here, then B dash here, then D dash here, then C dash here. Now you copy O, that O comes here, and this A, that A will be here, and that A will comes here, and this is B, that B is here, and this B will come here. So this is C, and that C will be here, and this is D, and that D will come here, and this is E, and that E will come here, and this is O1, which is in bracket, and that O1 will come here. So now we go for the text. You mark this as O dash, and this as A dash, and this as E dash, and this as B dash, and this as C dash, and this as D dash, and this as O1 dash. Now you just go to move, E dash, 1 dash, E dash, C dash, D dash, then go to M text. You just come down to formatting, go to Arial, makes it simple. So you mark this as beta. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD. So this is your final drawing, and this drawing is exactly the same as this one what we have been created here. So this is the final solution. Thank you.